Hello, I'm Vivian,
Hello, I'm Sean.
and together we're Hall and Grace. We want to talk to you about love. More specifically, we want to talk to you about self love. We know that there's a big difference between self love and self esteem, and self love has all the advantages and none of the disadvantages of self esteem. Tell them about our program, Sean.
Well, with our years of experience as coaches, we've devised a self-coaching process that helps you to tap into unconditional love, to love yourself more. And we leave you with that process you can use at any time, anywhere.
And when you love yourself, you'll get a lot more than just a nice, warm, fuzzy feeling. It's the key to getting everything you want in life. The most important relationship you'll ever have is with yourself. Find out more by joining us on our program called simply Loved. Bye for now.
Bye for now.